which LG washer gives you the best mix of cleaning power, useful features, and everyday convenience in 2026? I ranked 5 popular models, and the differences become much clearer once you look beyond capacity alone. At number 1 is the strongest all-around choice in this comparison. It gives you a large drum without moving to an oversized 29-inch cabinet, so it fits more standard laundry spaces while still handling towels, bedding, and large weekly loads. The feature balance is what makes it stand out. Turbo Wash 360 helps shorten larger wash cycles, while Fabric Sensing adjusts the wash based on the load. You also get steam, a sanitary cycle, allergen care, cold washing, and app controls. Compared with the cheaper models here, it feels much more complete, and compared with the larger premium washer, it is easier to fit into a typical home. But there are a few limitations. It does not store detergent for multiple loads, and the door cannot be reversed. You also need more than 53 inches of total depth when the door is open. The controls have received some criticism for feeling less responsive than expected, which is not a major problem, but it is worth knowing. For most families, this is the model I would start with. It works especially well when you want strong cleaning features, fast spinning, and a practical size without paying for capacity you may not need. But if your laundry piles are especially large, the next washer gives you even more room. Links to all the products in this review at the best available prices are in the description below the video. In second place is the largest front-load washer in the ranking. On paper, the jump from 5.0 to 5.2 cubic feet may look small, but in daily use, that extra room can help with comforters, heavy towels, and large family loads. You get fast washing, fabric sensing, steam, cold washing, an internal heater, and a drum light. The high spin speed also removes more water before drying. Compared with the top-ranked model, this one feels more focused on maximum front-load capacity. It is a strong choice when you wash bulky items often and do not want to move to a top loader. But here is the important part. It is 29 inches wide. That can be a problem in laundry rooms built around standard 27-inch machines. It also needs 57.5 inches of depth with the door open, and it does not have a dedicated sanitary cycle or an automatic bulk detergent dispenser. Choose this model when capacity matters more than compact installation. It is especially suitable for larger households that regularly fill the drum. But if you prefer loading clothes from the top and want automatic detergent dispensing, the next option is more practical. And if this comparison is helping you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. At number 3 is the only top-load washer in the ranking, and it also has the largest drum. If you do not want to bend down to load a front washer, this design may feel more natural from the first day. The automatic dispenser is one of its most useful features. You can fill it with detergent and softener for multiple loads instead of measuring them every time. There is also a built-in faucet for treating stains, a deep fill option, fabric sensing, and a large selection of cycles. In everyday use, those convenience features may matter more than having steam. But compared with the front-load machines, it has a lower spin speed. That means clothes may hold more water before going into the dryer. It also lacks steam, a sanitary cycle, and dedicated allergen care. And although the angled front improves access, the deep tub may still be difficult for shorter users to reach. This is the model to consider when you want maximum capacity, top loading, and less work with detergent. It is very practical, but it is not the strongest choice for steam cleaning or high-speed water extraction. For buyers who care more about price and simplicity, the next washer makes more sense. In fourth place is the straightforward value option. It does not try to give you every possible setting. Instead, it focuses on the basics: a full-size drum, strong spinning, simple controls, and a cabinet that is shallower than the larger front-load models. The 1,300 revolutions per minute spin speed is especially useful because it can reduce the amount of moisture left in your clothes. You also get load sensing, cold washing, vibration control, and 8 practical cycles. Compared with the first two washers, it feels much simpler, but that can be a benefit if you do not want to manage apps and long menus. The trade-off is the missing premium equipment. There is no steam, sanitary cycle, internal heater, Wi-Fi, or automatic detergent storage. The cycle selection is also limited. I would not call that a deal breaker, but you need to be comfortable with a more basic washing experience. This is a good match for anyone who wants a reliable full-size front loader without paying for features they may never use. It is also easier to place in a shallower laundry area, but when a standard washer simply will not fit, the final model has a clear advantage. At number 5 is the Compact Specialist. It ranks last for a typical household because of its smaller drum, but that does not make it a weak washer. In a small apartment, closet, or narrow laundry space, it may actually be the most useful option here. Its feature list is impressive for the size. You get steam, a sanitary cycle, allergen care, fabric sensing, an internal heater, app controls, and the highest spin speed in the comparison. So, while it holds much less laundry, it does not feel stripped down. In some areas, it is better equipped than the full-size budget model. The obvious limitation is capacity. Large bedding and family-sized loads may need to be divided, which means more cycles and more time. It also has only 2 soil level settings, no automatic detergent reservoir, and no compatible pedestal option. Choose this washer when installation space is the main problem. For 1 or 2 people, or for a small city apartment, the compact size may be more valuable than a huge drum. Just make sure you understand that it is designed around space savings, not maximum load size. Check the top products using the links in the description below the video to compare current prices and availability. And remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more clear, honest product comparisons.